to Cyberworld, a journey to be technical.
Do you know? Most of us like to think we're pretty tech-savvy, but research has shown that 59% of people use the same password for most websites. So, there is less fault of machines, the more is in the human. Follow these simple steps to avoid being hacked. Staying safe online, the basics: update regularly, update passwords, don't reuse them regularly, download from authorized sources, administrator shouldn't be your default setting, turn off when you're done, do encrypt to keep your stuff unreadable. Check your social media security settings, don't broadcast every update to the whole world, don't accept friend requests from folk you don't know, enable login alerts, review app permissions, be careful what you share on social, especially your date of birth or any info banks used to verify accounts or lost passwords. How to create a strong password. Replace letters with numbers or punctuation marks, O instead of O, or 3 for E, change passwords at least a couple of times a year, use two-step verification, use passphrase, rather than password. Hide your email from spam bots, don't use an easily guessed email like your name at gmail.com. Use alias emails for all aspects of your online life. If your email account displays the location of the last login, take a look at it every now and again to spot any rogue usage. Protecting your phone and gadgets, always use fingerprint recognition, a secure PIN or unique gesture. Know how to wipe your gadgets if they're lost or stolen. Enable login, put a sticker over any unused webcams. Alerts, read app permissions to see exactly what data you're allowing them to access before you install them. Install Find My Device. Protect your computer from hackers and viruses. Decent antivirus and firewall software. Backup important data. Be picky about which companies you share your personal info. Be aware of phishing attacks. Encrypt the content you keep in cloud. Log in accounts from your own devices. If there's something you really don't want anyone else to know or get hold of, don't put it online. Although security is a myth, but it's our duty to make you aware about human errors. Be safe online, spread the awareness. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Like, share and comment below.